Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today we're going to be looking at this beautifully clear quartz crystal cluster that I collected at Haunted Ridge Rocks in the state of Missouri in the United States last year. If you enjoyed today's video, please consider hitting that thumbs up like button and subscribing to the channel for more crystal content. Leave a comment below if you've been to Haunted Ridge Rocks, or what's your favorite place to go digging. Let me know. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out some of my other great videos, and we will see you next time.